In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chart data to a CSV file if you want to download the price data from a chart and save it to your device for analysis. This is a quick and useful feature to know. It allows you to export key market information into a CSV file, which you can then open in spreadsheet tools or use in your own workflow. The downloaded file typically includes the standard price fields, open, high, low, close, and volume. To begin, open the chart that contains the data you want to download. Before moving on, make sure you're on the correct chart and that it's showing the market, symbol, and time frame you need. This is important because the export will reflect the data currently associated with that chart. Once the chart is open, look to the top left area of the chart interface. You'll find the chart layout name displayed there, right next to the save icon. Click that layout name drop down to open the available options. This menu gives you access to actions related to the current chart layout, including the export tool. From the drop-down menu, select Export Chart Data. When you click this option, a small export window will appear. In that window, you'll be asked to choose your preferred time format. Take a moment here to select the format that works best for how you plan to use the file afterward. For example, if you'll be reviewing the data in another program, choosing the most compatible time format can make things easier later. After selecting your preferred time format, click Export. The platform will then generate the file and download it directly to your device. In most cases, the file will be saved automatically to your default downloads folder unless your browser asks you where to save it. Once the download is complete, you'll have a CSV file containing the chart's price data. That includes open, high, low, close, and volume values, which are commonly used for tracking market movement and performing deeper analysis outside the charting platform. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's download bar or your device's downloads folder. And that's it. That's how to export chart data quickly and cleanly so you can work with it offline or in other tools.